Hi, so now it's our time to create an account on DigitalOcean. So let's open Safari, and here in Google I'm gonna type DigitalOcean. So here is the website, Developer Cloud. So DigitalOcean is one of the best hosts for your Django project or whatever projects you are using. So let's move down. We can create an account from here. It has many features actually, with a great dashboard and many features, and it's actually very cheap. So I'm not gonna create an account from this form because actually there is a referral links which we can use to give us more credits. So I'm gonna sign up using this link, which I'm gonna leave in the description notes. You're gonna find this link. When you sign up from this link, you're gonna get $60 as a credit in your account. So I'm gonna sign up from here. So let's sign up using Google. You're gonna find this link in the description notes. I'm gonna use this account. So now, as soon as you've added your card, you will credit your account. We will credit your account with $50. So now we need to add a credit card or a PayPal account. So I'm gonna add my PayPal account. So now I'll be redirected to my account to pay this $5. So now we're gonna charge our account with $5. So we need to choose one of those Visa cards. So let's hit pay now. And here we are, we've just paid $5 to our DigitalOcean account, and now we can create our droplet in our DigitalOcean. And now we've just earned also $50 in our DigitalOcean account. So here we are, this is our account. Let's load those links. Yeah. So now we have been granted credit to use our DigitalOcean account for $15. So now we have got those $15. This is awesome. So now it's our time that we start creating a droplet, setting up our server, and so on. And we're gonna do all of this, but in the next lecture, we just learned how can we create an account and get granted for $15 on DigitalOcean. So see you next.